Okay, we're going to show you how we install these windows. Used to be a block, glass block about halfway, and then we had the saw cutters come in and saw the other half so we could put a full-size sliders in there. But we'll show you how we did this. Okay, you can see we got some blue tape. This is where they're going to make this window bigger. I got to lay it out for the saw cutter. So I'm taking my tape off. He just wanted pictures. Said to him, this guy lives in Nebraska. We're in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So, getting ready to just mark it out with a big marker here, so he knows where to cut. Well, we got the saw cutters done for the most part. They came in here and cut windows out, existing windows. We didn't have them do the horizontals there for structural reasons, but they came in here and did a lot of good work. Okay, we had a saw cutter come and cut these windows. We got to knock that block out. We trying to save them a little bit as we can, but I know we're not going to save all of them. But we knocked those out to make a hole like that, and we're going to put bigger windows in. This is a block building, and brick, and we're just putting in new windows for this office. I'm putting screws for these cells right here. Cells on the other side. We're going to fill them full of foam. I'll just do this one here. Stirring up Bondo to put on the top where it's up against the lintel. The lintel's made out of angle iron. Bondo sticks to everything, especially steel and wood. So we're gonna use this at the top. Well, we got our window installed. Remember, we bondoed the top 2x8 to the lintel here, this lintel, and we put screws in from the back side on the sides and the bottom and foamed it in. Now, I brought this wood out, just you can see barely that where it was cut, that center hole in these little blocks in the bricks. These center holes here where they sliced it so we can cover it up without having to have a mason come in here and cut them out and replace them. So we just brought it right out to there and we'll put trim on here, caulk it, call it good. But that window is installed, not going anywhere. Got several more to go, but that's what we're doing. Okay, we got the trim all in and caulked. Just got to let the painters come and paint up to it now. They don't need to paint this really because it's plastic and it's white with the window. So now they'll just paint up to there. Call it good. That's how we like to install windows, where glass block used to be. And we was blessed with a 5'3", and I had them cut 4'3", so we wrapped it with 2x so we could just slip that thing in there. But that's how it's done.